Today we're looking at prepositions of time. At, on and in for beginners to begin with, and then towards the end of the video you will see prepositions of time for intermediate students. Let's look at the first one. At. When we use at, it's used for specific points in time. At 8 AM, at night, at breakfast time. I feel time goes by slowly at night. In. When we use the preposition in, it's used for talking about parts of the day, months, seasons and years. In the morning, so that's part of the day. In the morning. June, just month of the year. In June. In spring, so we're in spring now, so in spring I like the flowers. In 2025, what will you be doing in 2025? So that's in. I'm usually really busy in the morning. Preposition word on. This is used for single events, specific times of the day and days of the week. So here's your examples. On the 12th of June or on the 12th of April. On Monday evening, I watch TV. On Sunday, I do the laundry. On my birthday, we have a party. My brother sleeps late on Sundays. So that's using on. Gap fill challenge for the beginning students. Let's see how you do. Ben takes piano lessons Thursday. Jenny was really busy the morning, but she was free the evening. Number 3. Nick usually has to leave home 7:30 for work. Breakfast. I often read the newspaper. It's number 4. And the last one, number 5. My father makes pizza Saturday nights. We're using at, on and in on those questions. I'll let you do them. You can pause the video now while you complete that activity, and we will go on to the answers. Good luck. Here's the answers. How did you do? Ben takes piano lessons on Thursday. Jenny was really busy in the morning, but she was free in the evening. Nick usually has to leave home at 7:30 for work. At breakfast, I often read the newspaper. My father makes pizza on Saturday nights. If you got all of those right, well done. Here's a lesson for the intermediate students now. Prepositional phrases. On time. My train arrived on time today. It was due to depart from the station at 11:40. So I'm linking in some of the preposition words at, on and in with the prepositional phrases for you. Okay? All the time. I sit in the same seat all the time. At times. I enjoy peaceful scenery that passes by at times when travelling on the train. At times. Thank you so much for watching this video today. There's in, using all the seasons. And don't forget to like and subscribe if you really enjoyed the video, because coming up next will be lots more collocations. Thanks for watching today.